Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Nanit app in your device or your iPhone. So let's get started. So if you are an iOS user, you should must use your Apple Store. If you are an Play Store, like your Android user, you can just use your Play Store. Just click on Play Store and search for the Nanit app. Or you can directly go to the Google search bar also. Let's go to the search bar, search for Nanit app. So from here we can see it. Just click on here, and from here you can just click on install, and it will automatically download and install the app on your device. So by this way you can do it, and this is app for your baby. You can use it and very useful. So if you scroll down, you can see for the reviews. So here the reviews are great. As you can see, it is 4.6 over 6656 rating. Okay, that's a big number. So it's a very good app. You can use it. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.